वेलकम टू ITO ओलंपियाड टॉपर क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट। इस शो पे हम प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी क्लास के बच्चों को क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट कराते हैं, उनसे क्विज क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं एंड कैश प्राइजेस देते हैं। These kids have already participated in Indian Talent Olympiad exams through their school or maybe individually, and उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के बाद वो या तो स्कूल टॉपर बने हैं या स्टेट टॉपर बने हैं या फिर नेशनल टॉपर बने हैं। एंड उन टॉपर्स को ही हम यहाँ पे बुला के उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं। दिस इज एपिसोड 12 एंड टुडे वील वेलकम श्राव्या। So yes श्राव्या, can you introduce yourself? Whatever you want to say about yourself, आप हमारे ऑडियंस को बताओ।
Yes. My name is Shravya Shantaram Pawar. I am studying in standard 5th. My school name is Manorama Memorial English Medium School. My favorite subject is maths. Okay. My hobbies are art and craft.
Okay, so Shravya, आपको maths अच्छा लगता है?
Yes.
Nice. And what do you wish to become when you are a little older?
I want to become IAS or IFS.
IAS or IFS officer. So Shravya, please do remember us after becoming IAS and IFS. Shravya, we'll start with the quiz show. Now, 10 questions. For every correct answer, you will receive 500 rupees in cash. And if you're stuck anywhere, कहीं भी आपको लगे आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कोई क्वेश्चन, तो आप मुझे पास कर सकते हो। बट रिमेंबर, आप सिर्फ एक ही बार ऐसा कर सकते हो। ओके, पास का ऑप्शन सिर्फ एक बार ही आप यूज कर सकते हो। Right? Shravya is looking quite confident, and let's start asking her the questions. All the best, Shravya.
Thank you.
Question number 1. Which of the following is also known as the Spice Garden of India? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Kerala. Or option D, UP, Uttar Pradesh. The Spice Garden of India.
I think B, Gujarat.
Okay, so Shravya selected the option B, Gujarat. Shravya, आप इनमें से कौन से स्टेट में गए हो घूमने के लिए? Like you originally belong to Maharashtra, yes? आप कभी इनमें से किसी स्टेट गए हो?
नहीं.
The correct option is C, Kerala. Okay, it is called the Spice Garden of India. So we have 9 more questions to go, Shravya, and here comes the question 2. Name the parents of Gautam Buddha. A, Vasudev and Devaki. B, Sudodana and Maya Devi. C, Dashrath and Sumitra. D, Devaki and Vasudev. Who amongst these are the parents of Gautam Buddha?
B.
B, Sudodan and Maya Devi? Yes, it's the correct answer. Now let's move on to question number 3. Which gas is used to fill a balloon that stays up in the air? A, hydrogen. B, oxygen. C, helium. Or D, nitrogen. Have you ever played with those balloons जो ऊपर ही हवा में रहते हैं, हाथ से गलती से छूट गए तो बिल्कुल ऊपर ऊपर चले जाते हैं? You can't catch them easily. D, nitrogen. The correct option is C, helium. Okay, Shravya, those are helium balloons and they are now easily available. Question number 4. What is the dominant color of a water polo ball used in official games? A, yellow. B, blue. C, black. Or D, white.
D, white.
D, white is the answer that Shravya has given. Shravya, do you follow sports?
Little bit.
Little bit. Which is your favorite one?
Cricket.
Cricket. It's everyone. The correct option is A, yellow. Shravya, बाकी स्पोर्ट्स भी हमें लगता है देखने चाहिए ना थोड़े थोड़े. We should encourage other sports also. It's okay. You're doing fine. Let's move on to question number 5. And remember, you have the option of passing the question if you don't understand, or if you are a little confused in any question, pass कर देना, ठीक है? Question number 5. Angle more than 90 degree is a dash angle. A, acute angle. B, right angle. C, obtuse angle. Or D, zero angle.
C, obtuse angle.
Shravya is quick in giving the answer. And yes, this time she got it correct. C, obtuse angle is the correct answer. Well done. Question number 6. Choose the correct meaning of given idiom in bold print. Okay, तो एक idiom मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, आपको उसका मतलब बताना है. A bull in China shop. This is the idiom. Option A, someone who is very careless. Option B, product that cannot be exported. Option C, to get injured in the bullfighting. Or option D, without any warning. ये जो phrase है ना, ये जो idiom है, sorry, इसका मतलब बताना है. And idiom है a bull in China shop. Someone who is very careless, or a product that cannot be exported, to get injured in bullfighting, or without any warning. B. Product that cannot be exported is what Shravya thinks, but the correct answer is someone who is very careless. Okay, so you use these idioms when you talk or maybe while writing, and you know in essay writing तो काफ़ी idioms use हो जाते हैं. It makes the essay more appealing. It means someone who is very careless. Question number 7. Which animal cries like a human baby or infant? कौन से animal के रोने की आवाज़ बिल्कुल एक इंसानों के बच्चे की तरह लगती है? A. Elephant, B. Bonobos, C. Bear, or D. Camel. टेक योर टाइम, कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं है, आराम से सोचो, आंसर दो. एलिफेंट की रोने की आवाज़ इंसान के बच्चे की तरह लगती है, या बोनोबोस और बेयर और कैमल? सी. श्योर शाव्या?
I don't know what is bonobos.
So maybe if you're confused, you can use the option of passing the question.
Yes, pass.
Okay. So question number 7, Shravya has passed. But Shravya, अगर आपको एक option select करना होता तो फिर कौन सा करते?
D. Camel.
D. Camel. The correct option is B. Bonobos. Okay. So now I'll change the question. We are again asking question number 7 from Shravya. The question is, the study of weather, atmosphere and atmospheric phenomena is called A. Meteorology, B. Climatology, C. Atmospheric science, D. Atmospheric physics. Weather, atmosphere, atmospheric phenomena, इनकी स्टडी को क्या बोला जाता है? B. Climatology. Okay. श्राव्या, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो आप? थोड़ा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहिए, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और अभी तो लाइक ऑन फोन्स और टैब्स आप ई न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ सकते हो. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. मेट्रोलॉजी. एंड विद दिस वी मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज अ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन. ठीक है श्राव्या? सो टेक योर टाइम. क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ के दूंगी, फिर आप भी जितनी बार पढ़ना है उतनी बार पढ़ो, सोचो एंड देन आंसर करो. हाँ? Parul scored more than Rohit in science. Yash scored as much as Sumesh. Latika scored more than Parul and Rohit but less than Yash and Sumedh. So who scored more in science? A. Parul, B. Rohit, C. Yash and Sumesh, or D. all of these. Shravya, do you require a pencil and a paper to compute it? कैलकुलेट इसको निकालने के लिए चाहिए आपको?
Yes.
So Shravya is writing and then trying to find out. Yash scored as much as Sumesh. Latika scored more than Parul and Rohit, but less than Yash and Sumesh. So who scored more in science?
Yash and Sumesh. सुमेश।
सी यश एंड सुमेश। श्राव्या ने थोड़ा टाइम लिया बट इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। टाइम लेने के बाद आंसर किया एंड श्राव्या सही आंसर किया। इट्स करेक्ट, यश एंड सुमेश, ऑप्शन सी। Let's move on to question number 9, which is again from logical reasoning. If I go south, then turn left, then left again, and then go to the right, in which direction will I be from the starting point? A. East, B. West, C. North, and D. South. Shravya, you can again maybe calculate. You have a paper and a pen and then answer. Yes, so what do you think after calculating? It is
A. East.
A. East is the answer that Shravya gave and it is the correct answer. Good, Shravya. So this was question number 9. Now let's move on to question number 10. Name the actor who played the role of Chachi in the movie Chachi 420. Option A, Kamal Hassan. Option B, Rajnikant. Option C, Amitabh Bachchan. Or option D, Amir Khan. Movies देखते हो श्राव्या?
हाँ।
फेवरेट मूवी कौन सी है? अच्छा, रीसेंट में कौन सी देखी है, सबसे रीसेंट?
अलवैकुंठम।
ओके, मराठी मूवी। ओके, छावा देखी है?
हाँ।
I also watched Chhava. That was the latest movie that I watched. Shravya has already used her option of passing the question. तो वो तो आप नहीं use कर सकते हो. So maybe if you are not definite with the answer, you can take a guess.
B. Rajnikant.
B. Rajnikant. Are you a fan of Rajnikant? No? बस नाम सुना है लेकिन रजनीकांत बोल दिया. Okay, okay. Option is A. Kamal Hassan and B. Rajnikant is not the option. Okay, not the correct answer. But do watch this movie Chachi 420. It was a nice movie. You will also enjoy it. Okay. Shravya answered 4 questions correctly out of the 10 questions asked. So Shravya, how does it feel?
I will very nice.
Okay, Shravya feels nice. That's good. I know आपके शायद थोड़े और expectations होंगे ज़्यादा आंसर करने के, but because this is the first time you are facing the camera, तो हो जाता है ना, सबके साथ होता है. But all the best, Shravya. Shravya, here is your prize money. And what will you do with the money?
I will give it to my father.
You'll give it to your father. So Shravya is accompanied by her father. एंड वो अपने पापा को दे देंगी. वेरी गुड, बिकॉज लाइक अभी इस एज में इट्स बेटर वी गिव इट टू आवर पेरेंट्स, जिससे वो डिसाइड करें कि इसका क्या करना है. दिस वाज श्राव्या फ्रॉम ग्रेड 5 एंड शी वन 2000 रुपीज इन कैश. कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपके ग्रेड 5 के बच्चे ने कितने सही आंसर्स दिए आउट ऑफ द 10 क्वेश्चंस. इट विल एनकरेज अस and it will increase the reach of our videos. हमारे वीडियोस की जितनी रीच बढ़ेगी उतने ज़्यादा हम बच्चे यहाँ पे बुलाएंगे पार्टिसिपेट करने को. सो इफ़ आवर वीडियोस गेट गुड रिस्पॉन्स, अभी तो सिर्फ पुणे से बच्चे आ रहे हैं यहाँ पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, द स्टेट लेवल एंड नेशनल लेवल टॉपर्स. देन वी आर प्लानिंग टू expand this and welcome kids from all across India. Let's meet in the next episode. This is your host Parnika Jaiswal Rai signing off for today. Bye.